Welcome to Shared Email Templates. This video is here to make your onboarding smooth. We'll show you how to install the add-in and how to start using it. We'll also show you how to join a team, whether it's password protected or not. Okay, your workmate has sent you an invite to a company or team account. Let's see what it says. Hey, welcome to Shared Email Templates. Your colleague is inviting you to join the company account, and here are your credentials. By the way, do you already have Shared Email Templates in your Outlook? Let's check. To find the add-in in Outlook Desktop, you need to click All Apps. Oops, it's missing. High time to install it then. Click Add Apps. In the search box, type Shared Email Templates. Select the add-in and click Add. You installed the add-in and you can find Shared Email Templates right here. So you can click it. Now you're about to sign in to Shared Email Templates for the very first time. Let's take a look at the invite again. What credentials are you supposed to sign in? If you see your email address and a password in the invitation you received, it means that you are supposed to sign in with email. Click the Sign in with email button. A bit of copy pasting. Email, password, and sign in. And now, an important step. You can proceed only after accepting terms of use and privacy policy. So you need to follow these links, read the information which is there attentively. If you agree with terms of use and privacy policy, then accept them. The password from the invite is a one-time password. For security reasons, you need to change it. Make sure your password is strong, at least 8 characters long, including big and small letters, digits, and special characters. If the password is not strong enough, it won't work. When you're done, click Change. That's it! If the invite says sign in to your account with your work or school Microsoft account credentials, you don't need anything extra. Just click the Sign in with Microsoft button. A Microsoft dialog shows up. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Some permissions are requested. If you don't mind, accept them. When an admin of your company or team account adds you to some team, you see a notification message. Besides, you'll see the team on the pane right away. No additional steps. Nothing extra to do. Select the team and start using the templates. Easy as that! As for your role in a team, you can be either an editor or a user. If you're an editor, you can create new folders, templates, datasets, and you have other options. You can also edit the templates. If you're a user, you have more limitations compared to an editor. If it's important to you to be able to create and edit templates, you need to ask your admin to change your role in the team from user to editor. When invited to an encrypted team, you'll see a notification message, and the team, marked with the red key icon, will appear on the pane. This icon means that the team is password protected, so you can't access it without knowing the password. Where to take it? From your admin for sure. For security reasons, we don't store team passwords and can help you to get them. If you don't have your team password yet, ask your admin. If you have it, select the team. You'll see the Encrypted Templates dialog, where you need to enter the password, so enter it. By the way, if you don't want to save your team password in your browser, clear this checkbox and click Get Access. Happy to have you on board. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your shared email templates.